हाँ डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू ज्ञान भारती जूनियर कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस पुलगांव. Dear student, we are going to discuss about the transformer today. This is the chapter number 12, electromagnetic induction. Previously we have seen in this chapter the phenomenon of the self inductance and the mutual inductance, and we derived there the unit of the self inductance and the coefficient of the mutual inductance. So today we are interested to see the transformer. Transformers are fixed in the villages or the city, outside the city or the villages on the poles. So here transformer is the basically device which convert low voltage signal into high voltage signal ऑफ द AC. सो यहाँ पे क्या करता, लो टू हाई होगा और हाई टू लो भी होगा. मीन्स ए डिवाइस विच कन्वर्ट द लो वोल्टेज इनटू द हाई वोल्टेज सिग्नल इज कॉल्ड एज द ट्रांसफार्मर. सो हियर द ट्रांसफार्मर is the device which convert the low signal into high and high signal into low signal. So here the diagram or the structure of the transformer is like this. This is the soft iron core. This is the iron core. A iron core. So on the iron core there are the windings of the wire. So this is the winding of the wire on the input side, and this is called as the primary terminal of the transformer. So here is the output which is obtained at the another side, and these terms is called as the secondary coil. So this is the secondary coil of the transformer. This is the primary coil of the transformer. So to the primary we give the input signal, and at the secondary we obtain the output signal. So this is the basic diagram of the transformer. This is the primary coil windings, this is the secondary coils. Here the input is to be given and here is the output is to be given. So here when we give here the input, the current will be flows through the primary coil of the transformer. As current flows through the primary coil of the transformer, the magnetic flux link with the secondary coil will be changes. So this is the basis of the transformer, means mutual induction phenomenon is the base of the transformer. So whenever there is the change in the current through the first coil, that is the primary coil of the transformer, the magnetic flux link with the secondary coil will be changes. Therefore EMF is induced in the secondary coil. As a result of that, the current will be induces in the secondary coil. So here phi is the magnetic flux. Phi is the magnetic flux. And suppose here N is the number of turns of the primary. Number of turns of primary coil. Therefore here total phi at the primary coil means total magnetic flux is Np into phi is the total flux at the primary. So similar will be there, phi is the magnetic flux. So here Ns is the number of turns of secondary coil. ये जो मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे फाइल कॉइल का मैंने ऐसा वाइंडिंग किया, इसके नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स कितने हैं, Ns, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ द सेकेंडरी. Therefore the total flux at the secondary coil will be given by, that is number of turns of secondary into phi. So it is the total flux which changes at the secondary coil. Therefore according to the definition of the, that is EMF induced, that is at the primary will be given by, that is minus d phi p upon dt. This is the Faraday's law given and the Lenz law, combination of both. EP means EMF induced at the primary will be given by minus d phi b upon dt. So putting the value of the phi p here from this, therefore here minus d upon dt, d by dt of phi की कीमत कितनी है, Np, into 5. So NP is the number of turns that can be taken outside that of the derivative, therefore minus of that is NP into d phi upon dt. So this is the EMF induced at the primary coil of the transformer given that equation number 1. Again here, similarly, the EMF induced at the secondary coil is given by minus d phi s upon dt. So here put the value of the phi s. Phi s is here, that is n s into phi. Therefore here minus d upon dt of phi s का value, that is n s into phi. ns into phi. ns into phi. So here again here ns is the constant taken outside, that is ns into d phi upon dt. This is your equation number 2. So divide equation 2 by equation 1. So here es upon ep is equal to what will be there? Minus ns into d phi by dt divided by minus np into d phi by dt. So here d phi by dt will be get cancelled. Minus minus becomes here plus. So here it will become as number of secondary divided by the number of primary. So this, that is es upon ep is equal to ns upon np. This is called as the transformer equation. This is called as the transformer equation, or it is called as the turns ratio. This is called as the turns ratio. So this is the equation es upon ep is equal to ns upon np. But if number of turns of the secondary is greater than that of the number of turns of the primary, then here the es is greater than that is ep. So this is called as the step up transformer. This is called as the step up transformer. Step up transformer. If here the number of turns of the primary is less and number of turns of the secondary is greater, that is called as the step up transformer. If vice versa is obtained, number of turns of the primary is greater and number of turns of the secondary is less, it is the step up transformer के बदले क्या होगा? वो step down transformer होगा. So here for the ideal transformer, the input power is equal to output power. और पावर का फार्मूला अपन को मालूम है पहले, क्या होगा? इनपुट पावर, ये है इनपुट सिग्नल अपना दिया हुआ है, मीन्स ई पी इंटू करंट कितना है? आई पी करंट. आउटपुट का ये कितना है? ई एस. और क्या करंट कितना है? आई एस. सो हियर ई एस ई पी अपॉन ई पी इंटू आई पी इज इक्वल टू ई एस इंटू आई एस. देयरफॉर ई पी अपॉन ई एस इज इक्वल टू क्या हुआ? ये आई एस अपॉन आई पी. और पहले देख चुके हैं अपन ई पी अपॉन ई एस का क्या होगा? यहाँ पे होगा ई एन पी अपॉन ई एन एस. सो दिस विल बी द करंट रेशियो. ई पी अपॉन ई एस इज इक्वल टू आई एस अपॉन आई पी इज इक्वल टू एन पी अपॉन एन पी. सो फॉर दिस स्टेप ऑफ ट्रांसफार्मर, इफ नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ द सेकेंडरी इज ग्रेटर देन द नंबर ऑफ द टर्न्स ऑफ द प्राइमरी, ई एस is greater than EP, and therefore at this, that is 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 less than that of the IP primary का. और step down के लिए क्या होगा? number of turns of the secondary will be less than that of the primary, and therefore here step down के लिए क्या होगा? ES is less than that of the EP, and therefore here IS जो है वो ग्रेटर रहेगा. कैसे? IP के लिए वो होगा अपना कौन सा ट्रांसफार्मर? स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर. सो हियर वी हैव सीन हियर द डायग्राम ऑफ द ट्रांसफार्मर, टर्न्स रेशियो, दैट इज द ट्रांसफार्मर इक्वेशन वी हैव सीन हियर, and here is the function of the transformer, that is the low voltage to high voltage and high voltage to low voltage. For example, taking the example of the battery, means here high voltage is converted into the low voltage, or the low voltage, that is the in our, that is the क्या बोलते हैं अपन इसे? घर पर लगाते हैं चार्जर. क्या है? अपना जो ये रहता इलेक्ट्रिक का बोर्ड रहता, वो कितना लाइन देता अपन को? 230 वोल्ट. और ये अपन रेडियो लगाना है, टीवी लगाना है, इसका रिक्वायरमेंट कितना है 6 वोल्ट का मान के चलते हैं। तो फिर अपन को क्या किया, वहाँ पे ट्रांसफार्मर लगाया अपन ने, जिसको अपन एलिमेंटर बोलते थे, जो 230 का कन्वर्शन काय में किया उसने 6 वोल्ट में किया, तो स्टेप डाउन हो गया वो। अगर एक आधी बैटरी लगाई अपन ने 2-4 वोल्ट का और इससे अपन 100 वोल्ट ले रहे हैं, 200 वोल्ट ले रहे हैं, स्टेप अप कर रहे हैं उसको, तो स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर हो जाएगा। सो दिस इज द फंक्शन डायग्राम एंड टर्न्स रेशियो और द ट्रांसफार्मर इक्वेशन फॉर द ट्रांसफार्मर. So this is the topic, last topic from the chapter. So thank you for watching the video.